All right, guys, today's the day I finally bring you this beautiful 1989 Toyota Supra Turbo. This is technically a one-owner car. Now, I'm saying technically because there is a second name on it, but is the wife of the original owner. The original owner, deceased, had to be transferred into his wife's name. The wife then. Now we have it as an open title right now, so the car is technically second, but if you really think about it, it's a one-owner car, and that's how we're kind of explaining it here today, as a one-owner car to be sold. This has 23,000 original miles on it. Again, it's a 1989 turbo model, and it is, I mean, it's flawless. You're not going to find much better than this. The car just looks great in and out. We'll just start with the outside in general and go over that. Then we'll go maybe in the motor, or we'll go in through the interior. But from the outside, none of the wheels have curb rash. These are not the original tires. These were put on, it looks like in 2005 for what I could read, but as you can see, the tires and wheels look very, very good. A little bit of tarnishing inside of here, but this car stayed inside its entire life. When I mean stayed inside too, not even a garage like this car was kept inside the basement, and not just any basement, and heated and air conditioned basement, a finished basement. So they pulled it inside, had a garage door, and would pull in kind of like, here's your bar table, here's the car. Like one of those scenarios. Like, how cool is that? And on top of it then, they kept it on carpet, so there was no moisture, no nothing getting up in the car. Like underneath the chassis of this car is beautiful. Again, the paint, there's no real paint chips, no dings, no dents. Just very few minor things here, guys. I mean, just trying to find anything that's just some dust. Again, all the seals, everything looked great. Original Toyota badge. Original Supra badge is in great condition. Front bumper. Again, trying to find anything. Cleaned up as best we could. A little bug splatter there, but again, this is all little stuff. The whole outside of the car. If you look down the side of it here, super clean. Even inside the wheel wells here, guys. If we can get this to work here, I mean, it's just super clean. You can see how well taken care of this car is. Like, look at these bolts, 1989, no rust, typical surface dirt and stuff, but the car is just kept very well. Again, up here, no dents on the roof. This is a sport roof model. Again, go down the side of it here. All the trim is in great condition, nice and black still. Again, see all the trim is in perfect condition. Front glass has no cracks, no scratches are on it, same with all the rest. Again, all the trim is in great condition. Again, the wheels underneath here, absolutely gorgeous under here. Again, Toyota Supra and the Turbo badge still look like new. No fading of the paint anywhere. Still beautiful and crispy red. Again, we'll go to this side here. Again, the wheel and tires look great. And if we look up under here, there's nothing wrong. It's phenomenal. Now, I did notice this right here, actually. Looks like there's a little touch up here, guys. So there's one spot. I looked over this car as much as I could, so there it is. We did find one spot. I want to make sure that's clear. But it looks like that could be touched up. Yes. Now let's go on the inside, and this is the part that just blows me away. I have to undo the key here real quick, guys. The interior of this is just phenomenal. We'll look at the jams here too. I mean, look at all the bolts. Has all the original VIN tags, so all the tags are there too, guys. So if there's any questions or concerns about that, please let me know. Again, the door, still nice and supplely soft. Locks all work, everything works up here. Lock and unlock, all still work. Power up and down windows work. The leather is in great condition. If you guys know Mark IIIs, these usually fail. Every boot always ends up looking like these in this cars. It just happens from just sitting out in the sun. This is very good condition for a Mark III. Not sure why this is, but all Mark III Supras don't live up that well for their leather, unlike the Mark IV Supra. So the fact this isn't split is amazing. Down here looks great, and the driver's side and rear don't look like they've ever been sat in. Steering wheel still looks like new. Again, no rips, no cuts, no tears. A little bit of wear on the carpet, a little bit of wear, but nothing crazy. None of the plastics are damaged. Sit in here real quick. Again, See all the controls, open up center. You got your Targa stuff right in the center of it here. Your lumbar support, power mirrors, cup holder can go there. Your sport mode on and off, that's right, this car does have adjustable dampening. 5-speed manual, R154. You got your ashtray, climate control, anti-theft radio, big displayed dash. Again, if we put the key in here, we'll just put it onto the on position real quick. Sorry for the annoying noise. See it there, lights come on. And let's go ahead and just turn it on while we're sitting in here, pushing the clutch, and turned right up, and you can see that's dead cold too. So, not like this car needs anything crazy to start up. You can see the TEMS, everything works, brake light works, no check engine light, nothing of that nature on. We've got our light switches over here, some coin slots too. Froster, whoop, turn that off, don't need it. Cruise control, resume and control. Give it a little quick rev. So quiet for what the car is. So we come down here and we're gonna turn the car back off. So now we saw that, let's go ahead and tilt it back. Also, this is power seat, so power slide back, up. Again, this also has lumbar support too, which is really cool. That still works, so you press this up and back, side to side. It's pretty neat that it has power lumbar support. I really like this. Power mirrors, of course, and again, the sport there, our mode. I showed inside of there, so let's go ahead and push this up. Sorry, don't want it to fly up. But if you guys seen the back, factory floor mats here. Again, everything is pristine, no marks on the back. Again, ashtray, nothing used, but the seats, look at the seats, like nice and soft still, like new. The plastics back here, again, everything. Roof liner, that's another thing I need to show. Roof liner, nothing messed up. Flip this down, nothing messed, no stickers missing. Everything is here. Everything is good. So we'll go ahead and pop the trunk, and let's do the gas cap too, just to have both. Push this back, and we'll look at the passenger side too, just so I can show you the inside of the door. I wanted to show this too. He had this covering up the trunk. That was on the car. It doesn't look to be an original, and that's how it was given to me, so it was just kind of thrown off. But they had this inside the car to keep the carpets looking new, and you can tell, because it doesn't look like anything's ever been on them. You can see, it looks like the Targa hatches, looks like the Targa top's never been off because it doesn't look like the latch has ever been used. Again, the plastics all look like new back here. I mean, nothing, no scratches anywhere. Everything looks to be 100% new. If you actually open this up too, it has the original toolkit inside of here still. You look down in there, original Toyota toolkit still in here. How cool is that? Also, speaking of the carpet, if we flip up the edges here, so flip up here, you can see all the factory foam underneath is like new. That wood panel there is actually factory, so don't freak out. You're looking at what looks like nails. It's supposed to be like that. That's actually how it came from the factory. Also has this factory tubs over here for storage. So you just pull up on this, and it slides up. You can see there, it's mounted back there. There's some of your tools also. Your factory spare, which again looks like it was never used. Look at the paint back here, guys. It is legitimately like new under this car everywhere. It's just mind-blowing to me. I've never seen one this clean. It's an old car. Usually they're just not treated this well. So again, plastics up here, perfect. No scrapes, nothing back here. So I want to show every little detail to make sure you guys see it all. I don't want anything to be hidden. Again, the jams and stuff here. Again, more VIN tags. There's nothing. Again, I opened this up just for your guys' sake, but that is inside the door there. Unleaded fuel only. Cracks me up. Shut that. Again, come over here just so you guys can see. Nothing, no rust, no nothing. These, I mean, look, the shocks look like new, but they're original, but they look like they're new. Like, it's mind-blowing. So let's go ahead and shut this. Now let's go to the best part. Let's go up here and pop the hood. So here's the one thing that cracks me up. Mark IV Supras do not have hood shocks from the factory, but Mark IIIs do. Factory hood shocks. Now again, guys, this car is, I mean, just look at it here. This is clean. This guy just kept it this pristine clean. So again, look at the badge on it. Look how mint the badge looks. I just, mind blown. Again, you can see the dampeners here and here in the front. This has electronic dampening on it. Even down to the washer fluid bottle. Look how clean it all is. So I just want to make sure I get over every little bit. See the valve covers under there too. I mean, this to me is museum showroom quality stuff. I love cars like this. This is amazing to me. You can see some of the work that was done. Compressor dryer, looks like, tell you the date, 2010 there. And this was done here, PA 17. Notice it was retrofitted. So you got your retrofit date. So they retrofitted everything, so the AC system's up to date, so you guys don't have to mess with that either, which is pretty awesome. Look down in here. Everything just looks clean and new. Like, and again, this was not some kid who owned this. The original owner was obviously older when he passed away. So I mean, like they say, like old lady, old man kept. Under the hood here, again, absolutely perfect. But last but not least is documentation here. So repair manual book, electrical book. It also comes with this original here, this technical introduction to new models. This will come with it also. Original VHS. It also has a couple other documentation here for our new 19 models. It has the original service manager information right here, where he got it from. Mid-Atlantic Toyota. Got some information that was never filled out, some technical pamphlets, and then under here, they have these original books, which I don't even like put too much pressure on. So there's Tercel Corolla, put that one there. Then they had one for the 4Runner, put that one there. And then the last one was for the Cresta. I had one specifically just for that. Thought that was pretty cool. All fits in here, it all goes with the car also, guys. All right, guys, and then last here, and I should have brought this up a little bit earlier, is the original window sticker. You can see the original cost here at $29,000. This was bought from Younger Toyota over at Dual Highway, Hagerstown. You can see it didn't have many options. Most stuff was standard on this car, but they did add the optional ABS brakes, the sports suspension, and the leather power seats, along with carpeted mats, and then the wheel arches, which is the covers that go behind the wheel arches there to keep dirt and debris from flinging up on the paint. Again, total price $29 grand. Yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. It comes with every little thing. Again, it also comes with the original books here too. Don't want to press on that too much, but you can see this had never been really moved. Usually these are cracked and stuff just from being hot, cold out in the car. It still has the original person he must have bought it from, Charlie Himmelwright. That was a sales representative, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure if 6503 represents the number of car or which car it was that was sold, but thought this is cool. It still has the original window sticker. Again, guys, any questions, concerns, anything you'd like to know about the car, let me know down below. Let's see who wants this. I'm looking forward to it, and I think this is going to be a great car for someone out there. Thank you, guys.